May I have your attention, please?
We're less than 60 days away from the biggest automotive event in Wyoming.
All right, WestFest 2025 is almost here. Like he said, we're less than 60 days out, which means the biggest automotive event with burnouts, dirt drags, dyno, show and shine, everything that you can imagine. We got food vendors, we got vendors, we got some really great companies that we're working with this year. The burnout pit's going to be 100 by 200. We have some excellent events. We have over $10,000 in cash prizes. So what we're doing, we're offering $5 off of all pre-registration from now for 1 week. That's 1 week, $5 off everything. You can get incentive to get registered before you can. There's only limited spots, so once they're gone, they're gone. Go get entered today.